Hello again. This is my second scratch tutorial for making a virtual instrument. I'll do some slightly more advanced things, but I think you'll be fine, especially if you watched my first video and things made sense and were working for you. So let's look at my little Dino Land. Oh, I didn't title it yet. Dino Land. Rawr. I have my roaring dinosaurs. I have a speaker that will play on loop. Let's talk about making instruments play rhythm and melody. So if I choose a drum, it's going to suggest drum sounds. If I choose a saxophone, it's going to suggest saxophone sounds or trumpet sounds, whatever you like. Let's start with a saxophone. And I'm going to go in my events when this sprite is clicked, and it will suggest that I play a C. Let's see if that works with my loop. Do, do. I think a D would be better. Do. Yeah. So when you click on the saxophone, it plays a D. But if I go to control, wait 1 second. 1 second is pretty long in music, so let's try half a second. And I noticed another thing I want to change. Right now I have play the sound until done. I'm going to delete that block. And I'm just going to have it play. And wait 5 seconds. And then play a C. Even the half a second might be a little long, so I'm going to go to a quarter of a second, 0.25. So I have D and C. Let's go back to control and let's add another wait, 0.25. And let's add, let's see, I have a D, I have a C. Let's do a B. I think I want that to be slightly longer. I'm going to say 0.3. Let's see how that goes with a loop. Yeah, I think I like that. I want one more note. Do, 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 do. So I want to go to an A. Oh, come on. Wait. Let's say 0.3 seconds again. And let's add a saxophone A. I think that A. Oh. I see what happened. I accidentally put play sound until done again. That means that the waiting time won't start until the sound is completely ended. I don't want to wait, so I will swap that out, and I might like this better. Yeah, I might say 0.33. Yeah, I think I want to change the speaker. The speaker is just a little bit loud for me. So I'm going to make that a bit softer. Oh, I'm not in the sound. Not in the right sound. Let's make it softer again. Yeah, and spacebar stops everything for me. You can also click the stop sign. So that's a better balance for me. I might want to get that saxophone to click to show something like I did with the dinosaurs. So let's see. If I go into looks when the sprite is clicked, switch costume to saxophone B. Oh, the little lines come out of it. That's nice. Switch costume to saxophone B. And then at the end, let's switch the costume back to saxophone A. And let's also Set the size to 100%, the full size at the end. But let's change the size when it's clicked. And I might even want to change the position a little bit. So I'll go to motion. And I might turn 15 degrees and then reset 15 degrees at the end. Yeah, I'm happy with that. That makes it feel a little bit more fun to click on that thing. Now, if I also want this to be able to be controlled with the keyboard, I don't need to do that from scratch. I can pick a key. Let's go with an X. So I'm going with keys that are close to the other ones. Copy or duplicate, drag it over, and it'll snap into place. So now I can control it with a click or with typing. Let's do that process again. Choose a sprite. This time I'll use a drum. Maybe I'll use a tabla. I like that option because a tabla can make different sounds with the same instrument as well. So here's my tabla. I'm very new to Scratch. I'm just learning along with all of you. So when the sprite is clicked, start the sound, a low gliss. Yeah, I like that. And then let's go to control. Let's add a wait. I probably don't want it to be a full second, so let's try half. And then let's play a different sound. Instead of a low gliss, let's do a high. I like that. Let's repeat that. Oh, I missed a wait in there. So this is a lot of trial and error. See what you can do, see what you like. I think I want to make this one happen a bit faster. And maybe instead of the low gliss, I'll make it a different low sound. I think I need one more note with that saxophone still. Do, 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 do. So I wanted to add one more note to my little saxophone melody. So I'm adding another wait. And I'm going to add a G, I think. Play sound, G, sax. Okay, my saxophone seems to have gotten turned around, so let's reset that back to 90. And let's make sure when I click, I think I'll go back to 0.33 there. It can be nice with your sounds to give a couple additional options. So maybe just for fun, why don't I add something in the air? Maybe let's try this dragonfly. This is a giant dragonfly. Let's make it, yeah, a similar size to the smallest dinosaur. I'll position it. I want it angled a bit. Let's turn it so it's flying over them. And I hope you're feeling more comfortable with this part. When the sprite is clicked, or let's say when we type a C, let's make a sound. It's going to give me a pop. That's okay, but I think I want to get more inventive. So I'm going to click choose a sound. And I'm going to go into effects. I think boing. 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 Yep. Yep, my dragonfly is going to say boing. Why not? Play sound boing. Oh, I can say until done for here, or I can say just start sound. In this case, it doesn't matter because it's just doing one. It's just doing one job. So now I have a little instrument that I can play. So I can keep going. I can animate my dragonfly so it moves a bit. I can animate the tabla in a similar way that I did with the saxophone. But I don't think you need to watch me work through all of that again. So I'm very excited to see what you create. Once it's finished, you can click the orange share button. I like to turn commenting off because you never know what people on the internet will say. And I can copy the link. The embed code does something different. So copy the link and you can pass it in to me through your Google Classroom. Okay, have a great day.